All right, today we're gonna make a simple sauce, one that you can put on everything. It's a pesto, but it's not a basil pesto because I don't like basil pesto. I make basil pesto and it sits in my refrigerator or my freezer for weeks, months. I never use it. With this recipe, I found that I just used it all week long. I put it on everything. Veggies, fish, chicken, avocado, you name it. It's a great way to change your buds from using a traditional heavy cream sauce or a butter sauce. It comes from this book, Salt, Fat, Acid, Heat. This is an amazing cookbook. It has a pesto chart in there. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, you should buy this book because it's just so many good things and presented in a really kind of ingenious and creative way. All right, first we got 2 packed cups of chopped arugula. And then we've got about 3/4 of a cup of olive oil. We're gonna put this in here. And then we're gonna blend it until it's smooth. Just kind of pulse it on and off for 30 seconds or so. So we've got about a 1/2 cup of walnuts here. These are lightly toasted under medium heat on a pan for just about 3 minutes. You don't want them burned. We're gonna just spread them out here, cover them with some plastic wrap to prevent splatter. And we're just gonna pound them into submission. All right, beautiful. Now we've got a garlic clove and a mortar and pestle. I'm just gonna put a pinch of salt in there. And we are going to smush that garlic clove. Okay, now we are going to mix this all together. So we've got our arugula and olive oil. And we're gonna add about 3½ ounces of freshly shredded Parmesan cheese. We've got our walnuts. And then we're gonna mix it all together. Green, creamy, crunchy a little bit. Okay, now we're just gonna taste our pesto. Maybe a pinch of salt. Now we're talking. It's perfect. Okay, so we've got our simple, versatile, delicious pesto. Put it on anything: tofu, chicken, veggies, meat, bread, pasta. I like this better than the basil pesto. You take a little bit and it freezes great as well in your freezer for a couple of months. This amount of pesto will last you a long time. So it's lots of bang for your buck. You'll enjoy it. So thanks for joining us on the Cooking Doc, and we will see you next time.
Thank you for watching the Cooking Doc. Healthy cooking made simple and delicious.